How to fix Instagram group chat not working on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here type Instagram and click on it. This one is for Android users. Now click storage and then click clear cache. Go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, come back here, click force stop, and then go to permissions, give it all of those permissions here, and I hope that can fix your problem. And if you have an iPhone, just go to Play Store, make sure your App Store, and make sure your Instagram is updated, and then restart your phone. And if that doesn't fix it, uninstall your Instagram and install it again. And that's it. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.